Lisa. Hey! I don't know the lyrics. It would be nice to know. Baby, follow my command like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Baby, gonna. Waka, when you enter my little. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm talking in a low tone, but basically I'm in a hotel right now and I'm very pleased. Okay. So for the longest of time I've been feeling very drained, very tired, stressed, and I've just been craving like a change of environment. I've been craving a staycation or like a mini getaway, but I haven't just gotten the chance to do that, which is pretty heartbreaking. But this week, my work decided to organize some form of training or like conference-ish. They basically lodged us into a hotel for a couple of days, and I'm so pleased. Like, it's almost like God just saw me in my place of need and was like, take it, you need this right now. I'm so happy. But yeah, I've been here for a couple of days. I leave today, which is very sad, but I did get the rest I wanted. I got time to, even though we're here for work, after work, I got the chance to rest, just be by myself, be in my thoughts, away from everybody, the noise, the chaos in Accra. So I'm definitely pleased, like so pleased. Anyway, it's quite a decent place. It's not like a luxury hotel. Actually, let me show you around. Right, so once you close the door and make a quick turn, first thing you see is the bed. I just went down for my food, so this is my food. Let's act like it's not here, but you see the bed. Then opposite the bed, right here, is a wardrobe-ish, and then you have like a full-length mirror. And then you have a little sitting nook over here. I drink a lot of water, like I'm a big water drinker, so yeah, that's what's going on over here. We have a TV. I don't watch TV, so it's pretty much going to be there, and we're going to be working the whole time, so. And then have another mirror right here on the other side of the bed. And then we have this sitting area. If there was like a view, oops, let me turn down the brightness. Alright, so if this were like a good view, I mean, it's not a bad view, but there's pretty much nothing to look at, just tall trees. But imagine a very nice view of the city. It would be a nice place to sit and work. I'm going to sit here to do some editing, so yeah. They have a tray. I like the tray. It's different. But yeah, they have a tray here with, I guess, beverage essentials. A teacup and a spoon. They're also smart enough to leave a kettle so you can warm the water that you're going to be using for this. I find this lamp very interesting. What kind of lamp? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is cute. I like it. Curtains are also this color, which is not bad. They actually work well with the room. So on this side of the room, this is what you see. I like the fact that the bedding and the curtains and the chair, pretty much everything works together to give the vibe I guess they were going for. And then this thing right here, it's actually not paint. If you look very closely, it's actually like threads, right? So it's, I don't know if it was threaded or they use a machine, but I think it's actually cool. On the side of the bed, you have, like I said, this matching set, right? And then I put my book here because I was doing some editing last night. You have this phone. And the bed is pretty much basic. I like the headboard, it's interesting. Yeah, I think it's an interesting headboard. And then there's this other thing right here, this one is also not a painting. It's almost like a sculpture, but framed. Do you get what I mean? Oops. Yeah, so same curtains here. So yeah, this is the view from here. You can at least look at people or cars coming in and out. But there's pretty much nothing to look at if you're being honest. I actually don't hate the room. In the wardrobe, we have like a safe and compartments to pack your stuff. And then right here we have like hangers to hang your stuff. This room is actually giving me a lot of vintage vibes, like the matching side tables, the bed, the matching table, and that, like, very vintage. I don't think anybody does this anymore. For the bathroom is pretty decent. You have like a mirror over the sink, and at the sink they leave you a soap as well as some shampoo just in case you need it. I've checked in, so that's my toothbrush. And then this is the shower place. It's pretty decent, nothing fancy. And then we have like a towel for the floor, and then this is where you do the do. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's getting hot in here. Let's turn on the AC. Accra is so interesting. It rains today. The weather is cold. Tomorrow is freaking hot, like it hasn't rained in years. Anyway, I'm going to have my lunch. Let me show you what I'm having. Oops. Very annoying. All my sugar is stuck to the plate. I'll get it out, of course. But yeah, I'm having fried rice with tilapia, some chicken, and some salad. I'm so hungry, so I'll just eat, and I have to do some editing. I have this video that has to go out today, so I have to like make sure I get that done, and then I can lay in bed, watch a series, and relax, which is definitely something I'm looking forward to doing. So that's pretty much what the room looks like. Like I said, today's the last day of me being here, which is so sad. I never got to open these windows to let fresh air in. Like, I don't know how to operate them. I don't know if they open upwards. It looks like they open upwards. I just couldn't get the chance to figure them out. But this view is not like the best of views, but it'll still be peaceful to hear the wind brushing against the tall trees. That aside, it's been interesting. Anyway, I'm going to pack now. I have a video that's supposed to go up today. I'm almost done. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link in the description box. It's my reaction to the Smart Money Woman series that is now on Netflix, and I also share some lessons that I think are worth noting from the series. Very good video. I think you should check it out if you haven't already. So link is in the description box, but please watch it after the video. Okay, today I decided to do like no makeup. So I put on some eyebrow stuff, put a little bit of mascara, line my eye, use a little bit of, what's that one called, concealer. And I barely touched the sides of my face because nose mask, so I don't see the point. You're literally wearing a nose mask all day long. Why bother? Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Don't let it fall.